As the Northern Hemisphere basks in the warmth of summer, people are out enjoying the long days and the vibrant energy that comes with the season. Beaches are crowded, parks are filled with laughter, and the sun seems to shine endlessly. Yet, amidst this summer bliss, the whispers of the coming winter are already beginning to circulate. The subtle changes in the wind, the occasional cool breeze, and the first hints of autumn leaves signal that a shift is on the horizon. Meteorologists and climate scientists are closely watching the Pacific Ocean, home to the powerful climate phenomenon known as the El Niño-Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. This complex interplay of oceanic and atmospheric conditions can have profound effects on global weather patterns. Early indications suggest that winter 2025 might be shaped by an ENSO neutral phase. This means that the sea surface temperatures and atmospheric pressures in the tropical Pacific are expected to remain in a balanced state, neither too warm nor too cool. This means neither El Niño nor La Niña, the two opposing phases of ENSO, are expected to dominate the atmospheric playing field. El Niño typically brings warmer, wetter conditions, while La Niña is associated with cooler, drier weather. A neutral phase, however, can lead to a more unpredictable and varied climate. The ENSO cycle, characterized by fluctuations in sea surface temperatures and atmospheric pressure in the tropical Pacific, has far-reaching consequences for global weather patterns. These fluctuations can influence everything from monsoon rains in India to hurricane activity in the Atlantic. Its influence on winter weather in the United States is particularly significant. During a neutral phase, the absence of a dominant ENSO condition can lead to a wide range of weather scenarios, from mild and dry winters to severe snowstorms and cold snaps. While a neutral phase might sound uneventful, its implications are anything but straightforward. The variability and unpredictability of a neutral ENSO phase mean that meteorologists must stay vigilant, constantly analyzing data and updating forecasts to keep the public informed and prepared for whatever winter may bring. ENSO neutral conditions represent a state of equilibrium in the Pacific. Neither excessively warm nor cold sea surface temperatures prevail. This absence of extremes does not, however, translate to a predictable or average winter. In a neutral phase, other climate drivers, often overshadowed by the dominance of El Niño or La Niña, can come to the forefront. These drivers, like the North Atlantic Oscillation or NAO and the Arctic Oscillation or AO, can create a complex web of interactions, leading to highly variable winter weather across the United States. A neutral ENSO phase can be likened to a blank canvas. It sets the stage for a wide range of possibilities, making accurate winter forecasts particularly challenging. The Climate Prediction Center, or CPC, a division of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, plays a crucial role in monitoring and predicting ENSO conditions. Using a suite of sophisticated tools, including satellite observations, ocean buoys, and computer models, the CPC provides regular updates and forecasts on the ENSO cycle. However, predicting the weather, especially months in advance, is fraught with uncertainty. Long-range forecasts, like those for the upcoming winter, are inherently less reliable than short-term weather predictions. The atmosphere is a chaotic system, and small changes in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes over time. While the CPC's expertise and resources are invaluable, it's important to remember that their forecasts are probabilities, not certainties. Section 4. El Niño versus La Niña, a tale of two winters. The story of our winters is often shaped by these two powerful climate phenomena. To understand the potential impact of a neutral ENSO phase, it's helpful to contrast it with the more predictable patterns associated with El Niño and La Niña. These two patterns, though different, have a significant influence on global weather. El Niño winters, characterized by warmer than average waters in the eastern Pacific, typically bring wetter conditions to the southern United States. This warming of the ocean surface can lead to increased evaporation and consequently more precipitation, and milder temperatures across the northern tier. Residents in these areas often experience a break from the harsh cold, enjoying relatively mild winters. La Niña winters, on the other hand, with their cooler than average Pacific waters, often result in drier, warmer conditions in the south. This cooling effect can suppress cloud formation, leading to less rainfall and more dry spells, and colder, snowier winters in the north. The northern regions brace for more frequent snowstorms and colder temperatures, making winter activities both a challenge and a delight. These patterns, while generally consistent, are not absolute rules. Weather is inherently unpredictable, and even these well-known phenomena can surprise us. Regional variations and the influence of other climate factors can lead to deviations from the norm. Factors such as local geography, ocean currents, and even human activities can alter expected outcomes. In a neutral ENSO phase, these deviations become even more likely, making it difficult to draw definitive conclusions about the upcoming winter. Without the strong influence of El Niño or La Niña, weather patterns can become more erratic, leading to a mix of conditions that can vary widely from one region to another. This unpredictability requires communities to stay vigilant and prepared for a range of possible scenarios. From stocking up on supplies to staying informed through weather forecasts, preparation is key. By studying historical data and understanding the nuances of these climate patterns, meteorologists strive to provide the best possible forecasts. However, the inherent variability of weather means that surprises are always possible. Ultimately, the tale of two winters is a reminder of nature's complexity and our need to adapt. Whether facing the wet warmth of an El Niño or the cold bite of a La Niña, resilience and preparedness are our best tools. Section 5. Beyond the Pacific, the NAO's influence on winter's fury. While ENSO often steals the spotlight in winter weather discussions, other climate patterns, such as the North Atlantic Oscillation or NAO, can exert a significant influence, especially during neutral ENSO phases. The NAO, characterized by fluctuations in atmospheric pressure between the Icelandic low and the Azores high, can alter the strength and position of the jet stream. A positive NAO phase tends to bring colder, stormier winters to the eastern United States, while a negative NAO phase often results in milder, wetter conditions. The interplay between ENSO and the NAO, along with other climate drivers, adds another layer of complexity to winter weather forecasting. Predicting the behavior of these interconnected systems is a formidable challenge, even with advanced modeling techniques. Section 6. A waiting game. The future of winter, 2025 remains unwritten. As the summer of 2025 unfolds, the outlook for the coming winter remains shrouded in uncertainty. The warm days of summer give way to the crisp air of autumn, but what lies beyond that is still a mystery. The current prediction of a neutral ENSO phase provides a starting point, a baseline from which meteorologists can begin their analysis. But it's essential to remember that this is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. The neutral ENSO phase means that neither El Niño nor La Niña conditions are present, which can lead to a wide range of possible weather outcomes. The intricate dance of atmospheric and oceanic currents plays a crucial role in shaping our weather patterns. These currents interact in complex ways, influencing everything from temperature to precipitation. Combined with the inherent unpredictability of weather systems, this makes definitive long-range forecasts impossible at this stage. Weather is a dynamic system, constantly changing and evolving, often in ways that are difficult to predict. Meteorologists use a variety of tools and models to make their predictions, but even the most advanced technology can't account for every variable. The data they analyze is vast and complex, requiring careful interpretation and a deep understanding of atmospheric science. The best course of action? Stay informed. Regularly check weather updates and forecasts from reliable sources. The Climate Prediction Center will continue to monitor ENSO conditions and other key indicators. Their experts are constantly analyzing data and refining their models to provide the most accurate forecasts possible. They will provide updated outlooks as we move closer to winter, offering insights into what we might expect in the coming months. By staying abreast of the latest developments, you can make informed decisions about how to prepare for the winter season. Consulting reliable weather sources ensures that you have the most current information at your fingertips. Whether it's stocking up on supplies, winterizing your home, or planning your travel, being prepared can make all the difference. Winter 2025 may bring challenges, but with the right information and preparation, you can face them with confidence.